New at 6, the FDA could be offering a Halloween treat this year if all goes according to plan. If the timetable works like the last decision from the Food and Drug Administration, the Pfizer vaccine for children ages 5 to 11 could be approved by October 31st. Ursula Perry with more on the promising news that increased immunity for kids could be just around the corner.
The increase in COVID complications in children is something local pediatricians say could be avoidable. And recently here has been quite tragic.
A couple of weeks ago, unfortunately, a death in a young child.
Unvaccinated, no doubt.
Well, the young child was unvaccinated, yes, and all of the teenagers that I have seen hospitalized with complications, none of them had been vaccinated.
Soon, if the FDA is true to form, all children ages 5 through 18 will be eligible, with the data from clinical trials for children 5 through 11 now in the hands of the government, waiting for evaluation.
They did use a lower dose for children, for the younger children, in an effort to try to make sure that we're, having the lowest dose that is effective, but also to sort of optimize or maximize the safety of the vaccine.
If it's a sufficient amount of safety, the FDA could approve, perhaps even by the end of October, offering a sweet end to a concerning time for families who have not been able to get the entire unit vaccinated. Still, there's been hesitancy in older teenagers who we now know do get a rougher form of the virus than first thought.
With this Delta variant surge, we're seeing a lot more children, a lot more teenagers.
Vaccine clinics for adolescents who are 12 and older are in full swing while the FDA considers the data for that younger age group. But in the meantime, pediatricians want to make sure that you make appointments for all the vaccinations you may have missed during the pandemic, stressing your children can get all of those vaccinations at the same time they get their COVID shot. Ursula Perry, KSAT 12 News.